a corporate body.
INEC cannot. What INEC has done is administrative tribunal. INEC cannot pronounce it. That is the situation on board now. It's a quasi-judicial.
The provision you are
What's
citing.
the position of the law of evidence? The law of evidence is body of proof is on you.
Okay, hold on. I think a point of what do you call that now? Point of information. Okay.
Article 40 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended under the Fundamental Rights to Peaceful Assembly and Association, says thus, and I quote: "Every person shall be entitled to assemble freely and associate with other persons, and in particular, he may form or belong to any political party, trade union, or any other association for the protection of his interests. But there's a caveat which says, and I quote again, provided that the provisions of this section shall not derogate,
Yes,
derogate from the powers conferred by this Constitution on the INEC with respect to political parties to which that commission does not accord recognition."
My argument has been that there has always been unnecessary wider interpretation of freedom of association.
Section 40 did not mention INEC there, sir. With due respect.
It
doesn't mention INEC there. It doesn't mention INEC. Well, you see, I'm happy. First, I'm happy. No, that is not it's a written one. No, the point is this. My colleagues are here. They understand the principles of covering the field. The point is that any act of
we have no argument. We don't have anything to even cite that principle.
The point is we are arguing section 78, paragraph 7, 1 and 2 of the Electoral Act.
Okay, let's go to other areas. Let's put aside these laws and constitution and everything. Let's come back to the Nigerian politics. Some people believe that there was a hidden agenda behind the registration exercise. Like somebody said, it was a PDP agenda. Somebody said it was Jonathan's agenda. What's your opinion about this? Barrister Kayode.
Yeah, from reality.
Yeah.
And I know that Baba will equally agree with me and some of the politicians that PDP. No, honestly, PDP, with the aid of some people, deregister AD. In Abia State, PDP, the register, what do you call this?
AD was not registered. AD was only changed name. AD was not registered. Point of correction.
Please. AD. No, the point is that AD did not change name. AD is still existing as at today. But politically, why I said PDP, the register AD, is to refer that when you look at the cumulative effect of the political wranglings and the political psychology or what have you that happened during that time, you will have this chairman today, you will have another chairman tomorrow.
So if AD could not manage his house,
yes,
was that
it's not a question of the fact that AD cannot manage his house. Some people were planted to do a lot of political surgery in order to.
These are mere suspicions.
It's not suspicion. No, it's not suspicion. It's not suspicion. It's not. You may disagree with me, but the players of the politics there will quite agree with me that for one reason or the other, a party that has almost 5 governors, and within the second term of that political era, it remained one. And at the end of the day,
that says that you must continue to win a seat.
And at the end of the day, the party was not in existence again. So what we are saying is that one way or the other, due to the political activities of some other political parties, it can be deregistered. Take for instance, in Abia State, a governor was there who is a PDP man. When he wants to leave office, he put another person there on the platform of his own political party. By the time that man left, that man changed to another political party again. So what we are saying, this is a kind of political deregistration. It's not the registration by law, but the registration by way of political activities. That is that.
My friend there is not talking democracy.
Okay,
it's not talking democracy.
It's not insinuation.
They are mere insinuation. These are things you cannot substantiate.
Hold on a minute. You are a politician. Okay, let's talk politics now. Do you think PDP is behind the registration of
it's
the
not
20 political
not
parties?
so at all. It's not.
It's not.
When I came here, I met people explaining the political parties. Yeah. Many of them, for one reason or another, do not have political party offices again. Even at the headquarters, at national headquarters, which is an extant regulation of I.N.E.C.
Yes.
To be registered, you must have a registered office at the
Abuja,
at the federal capital. And you must have in at least 2/3 of the states. Okay. And I quoted an example that I have a friend who was maintaining an office in the shopping mall, and I was HSP in my city room. Okay. Supposing we are already given an address in Akure here for the African Liberation Party, they must have gone there and saw that there was no office there at all.
Probably your office will be there, your house will be the office.
So in that wise,
you should have informed them of your change of address.
Yes. And anyway, it's not allowed for you to use a personal residential house as a party office. So I.N.E.C. must have gone to do his study, to do his investigations.
Okay. Another question again that is really bothering the mind of the people. Should I.N.E.C be empowered to disqualify candidates? Barrister Akinwumi.
Well, I will not agree. I feel strongly that I.N.E.C should not be empowered to disqualify candidates, because now we'll be talking directly on the rights of an individual. It's one of the first generation's right to contest, to vote, or be voted for. For you to say you can't be voted for, you must have found something against that person. The proper forum for such disqualification will be a court of law. If you do anything otherwise, it will be against Section 36 of the Constitution, which gives right to fair hearing. So I will not support in any way that I.N.E.C should disqualify any candidate, except where the court of law said this person cannot stand this election because of this and that. We have found out.
Okay. For example, if, the Constitution says for you to become a governor, yes, you have to be 35 years old. And I.N.E.C finds out that somebody wanting to be a governor is only 30 years of age. Can I.N.E.C disqualify such a person?
For instance, that's a difficult one. I.N.E.C can disqualify that person. The person may go to court, and I.N.E.C will back it up with good reasons, because there are certain qualifications which you have to meet. You have to be mentally sound. You must not be a bankrupt. You must not have been convicted. So once there's evidence of bankruptcy, evidence of mental insanity, I think I.N.E.C can disqualify, because the person will approach court and I have a good reason. Because if you say that I.N.E.C cannot disqualify, this person will win election, and this person will continue to amass the commonwealth of our people. Until the court trial might go up to 4 or 5 years.
I.N.E.C should not be given the power.
I.N.E.C should not be given.
I.N.E.C should not be.
Yeah,
do you know why?
Do
you know why? Even in the circumstance you have just mentioned or cited, I.N.E.C should not be given the power, because the Constitution provides in that section, section 226, that of course it is the 224 between 224 and 226, that it is also the responsibility of the political party that is feeding that particular candidate to examine that if they are feeding.
Sorry, we have had cases.
Okay.
Toronto guy, Salisu Buhari was 29. He was to be 30.
Because
for him to qualify to stand the election to the Federal House of Representatives. He was 29. He came, he became speaker. He got his furniture allowance. He got every money. At the end of the day, they found out, they impeached him. He had to leave the house because he was not qualified.
Let me talk like the politician.
The totality.
Let me talk like the politician.
The totality of a candidate.
No want to lose.
Let the person go. Let the person go and challenge his qualification.
Believe that the party ought to carry out its own.
The totality of any candidate is for the party. I.N.E.C has no business with that.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for your time tonight. We have just come to the end of this program because time is really against us. Thank you for coming. Chief Olumuyiwa, thanks for coming on the show tonight.
Thank you very much.
Barrister Akinwumi, Thanks for coming all the way from Abuja. We hope to see you next time. Barrister Kayode.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for coming. And Honorable, I learned you were supposed to go on some oversight functions. This is part of your oversight function. Thanks for coming. Dear viewer, until next week, we'll be bringing another hot topic for you. Take care of yourself and Happy New Year.